Oh my god.
Now it's all sorry.
Better.
Alright.
We're matching.
Like a cult, bro.
Yeah. Hey guys, it's Melanie, and today I'm here with my new roommate's first sit-down video together, which is awesome. As you guys already know, we have... Oh, I'm Vanessa.
Ashley.
Yes, and you guys should totally go check out both of their channels. They'll obviously be linked below, and there's also going to be a second part to this haul on Vanessa's channel. We did a bunch of shopping stuff. It's like some room decor, but mostly clothes spread out throughout the days. And I also had little clips from when we were shopping and stuff. So we saw this is going out of business, and we decided to make a little pit stop on our little grocery run. Let's shop. The thrift store now. We're looking for both room decor and, well, I'm looking for clothes.
I don't want to look for clothes now that you know.
It's a boutique one.
All starts racing. Say so never win. Hormone, who got first?
Hey guys, so we are on our way to Melrose flea market. That's what it's called?
Trading Post.
Oh, Trading Post,
Close.
yes. Excited, but we're on a time crunch.
If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
I'm dripping in sweat from trying clothes on.
I'm on hiatus. Ooh, I'm on
She's shopping. I'm gonna vlog right now, but basically I've decided to turn this shop with me thing into like a haul and shop with me, because we got more than we thought and cute clothes. So
and live my life off screen, taking time out to be and live my life. Taking just be.
dude, we found so much stuff. Look at this.
away so many things.
Yeah,
I think I want this,
I love it.
and I think I want this as well.
That's my fave color. It's so cute. And other than that, let's get into our haul. I got some clips from the thrift store. I got a couple random things. First off, I just got this t-shirt because I didn't bring any t-shirts here because I was like, I want to dress cuter, so like no shirts. But then I realized I literally brought two and I just wear them to sleep, and then all my shirts are dirty. So then I was like, I actually kind of need some, but that was not a problem. So I got this really pretty, like, is this salmon? Is that the color?
Yeah.
Salmon colored shirt. I don't know, but I thought it was cool because it's like a Christian shirt, I think, because it's like the fish and like Bible verses, so it just spoke to me. So I got this. I also got this little scarf. I thought it would be cute to use like as a belt or something, or in my hair. It's a fun little pattern. I also got these shorts. You did? Yeah.
I found shorts. When? I was with
We
you.
have to take you to the Goodwill that we went to. There was so much denim. Flea market had so much.
Yeah, but they're never ones I like. They're in my size. I can never find.
I always just get them really big, and then I like tie a belt.
I don't know why. I can just tell. I just look at it and I'm like.
These shorts, they're Paxton ones, which I wear anyways. And then I got some room decor stuff. I got this pillow because I think it's so adorable. Wait, make the face. The smile?
Yeah, it looks stupid. It's like.
I just got some records because I want to hang them on my wall.
Okay, guys. Oh wait, shirts. I didn't find them. I got that one.
Hey, first try.
I think just about to say probably multiple other ones of this exact style, maybe same color in this video.
I don't remember because Melanie and I ran into each other at the store.
and I ran into
and we made sure we didn't buy the same thing.
Yeah.
But we didn't make sure we didn't buy the Yeah, because she knew we were roommates and we were roommates, but she didn't know you guys were roommates. It was funny. We went to the same booth at Melrose, and we all like separated to shop because we were like on a time crunch. But we ended up all buying a bunch of stuff from this one place.
The same place. Yeah. They hand make it, and it's super cute. Has a tie in the back, and that's all. Next one, right across the way from that booth that we all got stuff at, there was this other one, which they had like 4 things. It was really empty. I don't know if they sold out or it just came with nothing, but who knows?
That's cute
it's
though.
a black long sleeve, but there's no back.
That is cute. That's so cool. Can I borrow this sometime?
You can't really see it.
You can't tell.
I'm gonna try it. I don't think you can really tell, but it's just no back. It's just the front of the shirt, but I think it's cute.
That's cute.
My contribution to all this haul, I got nothing. So.
Yeah, but then if you go watch your grocery haul, it's all her, and
yeah.
you're just like,
My
contribution was
I just
mushrooms.
don't buy clothes.
Yeah.
So.
We need to go back to Melrose
And have time.
Actually,
to go.
no.
Okay.
I got this top from a random store. I don't know what it's called. You bought something there too, right?
Who knows?
No clue.
We just like walked in.
Is there something on the tag?
Oh, there
See
ain't no
that?
tag.
There ain't no tag.
There ain't no
Okay, wait,
tag.
should I do my try on in this clip so it's easier?
Go for it.
It's a white top, and you can pull it up. It was $15. It was
Actually?
super affordable.
I thought that
Look at the
expensive.
look at the back though.
That
It's like
back,
all
though.
lace back.
Really cute.
It is
Yeah.
cool.
Can you see?
I'd be so scared to get a hole in that because I'm so.
I probably will get a hole in it, but I think it'll last a good amount of time.
Like, you
because
can-
it wasn't expensive.
Yeah,
so if
exactly.
it does rip.
If it was like $70 and it rips, I'd be mad. But this is like a blue bowl and a half, so I'm okay with it.
A blue bowl and a half. You measure your
In blue bowls and Catalyst Chipotle
I measure
bowls.
my time in watermelon.
That's all I got from that story.
So I went to the, is it called the Grand Central Market? The one in,
Yeah.
So I went there, and usually it's just food, but they had a bunch of clothes stuff, and they had like a bunch of racks of like teas and stuff. And so I got two. This one, and I really like the back because it's all
Cute.
like, cute. Yeah, thanks. It's gonna be a nice sleep VSCO shirt, and so is this
Skating
one.
skating
Yeah, actually, because all I've been wanting to wear is this one. It's like blue. It looks pretty worn and comfy, and then it has a surfboard. I've been getting into surfy moods, you know, from living by the beach now, as you can tell. Oh, this shop that we didn't know the name of.
Oh, I looked it up. It's called like Shop Melrose because
really?
I was
The last one. mentioned.
yeah. You really robbed me of my money. So then we went to this like place on Melrose. I only recognize the store because Addison Rae shops there.
Wait, she does?
Well, I saw the top on the mannequin and I was like, okay, that's the top that I see in Addison's TikToks. So I was like, okay. So I literally got that exact top in white, but I was debating what color to get because I didn't want my boob to like
That literally kind of
show
looks like
through.
this.
No, it's different. It's a different white top.
Yeah, it's, okay.
You'll see it in the try on haul. That is, you know, this is hard to explain like this.
It looks really good on.
But it looks bomb.
It's
I
fine.
tried it on in the store because Ashley, you scared me after you didn't
For
like
me, it did not work on my body. Like it just didn't fit right, but it looks good on
because
me.
I'm concave, so.
concave.
And then I saw this dress. Okay, this dress is so it's so expensive, but okay, it looks so cute.
It's
like
so cute.
It looks
I'm
so
excited to
cute.
see
Look
it.
at this. Look at this, and the tie in the back, and just I want to take this. Can we go to a farmer's market in this?
Oh, for sure.
Yes, we all wear cute dresses.
And then we can have our
And a picnic.
picnic.
With all the fresh produce we buy at the farmer's market.
Mushrooms. And I don't have anything in this green color. Plus, I thought it'd be flattering on the boobage for me, like, you know, a young lad who doesn't have any.
Young lad.
I'm an old lad.
And that's what I got there. I spent over $100, unfortunately. I was not planning on buying anything. And then you guys started shopping, and I was like, okay, maybe I'll pick out one thing. And I was like, okay, maybe I'll pick out two things. It'll be fine.
I feel like two's not that bad. I actually got like 5 things here. Oh, look, a mask.
Nice.
Oh, I got this top. I liked a lot of the stuff, but they were not in my size, but I kind of like didn't care because I liked it a lot. So I got this little tank top thing.
That's cute.
Yeah, it's a large one. I think it's fun because it has just a little shape.
How, in what world is that a large?
That's what I'm saying. Like a little peplum. I also got this in a large, and this is a little out there. And I also don't really know if it's gonna fit the best, but I did, but then I thought they had it in a small. But then I read it wrong. Yeah, so I was looking for the small, but then I read it wrong, and they were both larges, so I was like, whatever, I'll just buy it. But I just thought it was really cool because it's higher print, and I've been really into different print. I don't know, it's neat, but
You could really dress it up or dress it down.
Yeah,
Depending on what
so-
shoes like you wear it with.
yes, I hope.
No, yeah,
I
that
wear
makes
it.
sense. With white sneakers, like the
Yeah,
chunky
or if you
sneakers
like
you wore.
black boots, then it would be.
Oh, that would look
Like
so
either one would
good.
look good.
You're right.
No facts.
Yeah, but it's just like a nice little slip dress, so it's not like too much of the pattern, I think. And it was also on sale, so I was like, why not? And then I also got this top, which is just like a basic little like front tie. I know I'm gonna wear this a bunch because I can literally wear it with this right now, or I could wear it as like a cardigan-ish thing. And then the last thing is this pretty little blue dress, and it's also dainty flowy, which I like. Yeah, and it has a really pretty.
That is so cute.
Yeah, you can
That
borrow
could be
it.
your farmer's market
thanks.
dress.
Oh, you're right. Oh my gosh, I feel like this would look.
I
Wait,
know,
we're
it's
literally
good.
gonna start
These
wearing
things
Powerpuff Girl colors
I
again.
missed. I've already done a picnic shoe in this, so I can't wear
Oh,
another picnic shoe.
you can borrow my tiger
No, I
print
have
dress.
some more.
Okay, well, that is it for this portion of the haul. If you want to see everything else we got, go check out
A lot more stuff.
here. Make sure to check out Ashley's channel for food stuff, food hauls. And thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more roommate videos, and let us know in the comments what you guys want to see. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
We're doing
thumbnail.
yeah.
I love the mouth noise.
I know.
I don't know why.
I know it's good.